Hey there, back again. In this tutorial, we're going to scrape Google My Business using Phantom Buster. Hi, I'm Idan of Brand Centric. Alright, let's go to Phantoms, Google, and we're going to see a few phantoms here. Google Maps Search to Contact, Chrome Extension Review Extractor, and Google Maps Search Export. This is the one we're going to use. Okay, let's zoom in. Search to scrape. Tell the Phantom which Google Maps searches you would like to scrape. Alright, the URL of a Google Maps search, that's these two over here. The URL of a Google Sheet containing a list of keywords or Google Maps search URLs. So, in this case, I have two URLs with these two searches: Realtor Knoxville TN for Tennessee and Realtor Nashville. And I have this sheet called GMB Scrape, and I have the keywords here in this sheet, and in this URL sheet I have the URL of the map. So I think that's a pretty efficient way to go about it, is to have a sheet of a bunch of keywords or a bunch of URLs, but you can use it as you like. And for share, we're going to have anyone with the link. Copy and go back, paste, and let me zoom out. Okay, for behavior, we're going to keep it at EN. Number of spreadsheet rows to process per launch. This only applies if you are using a spreadsheet or a CSV file as input. If left empty, the Phantom will attempt to process all your searches in one launch. So I do want to leave it empty in this case. I want it to process everything. Number of results to scrape per search. Google Maps only displays the first 200 results of a search. To get more, alter the search query by searching within the smaller areas and use multiple search URLs. So let's set it to 200, and we're going to leave this on extract external websites from each location. Press save. The settings launch manually, or you can have it repeatedly, but in this tutorial we're just going to have it manually. Notifications: if there's an error, we want to be notified. Save and launch. So this is going to take a little bit because it's scraping a number of things. It's scraping phone number, it's scraping URLs, it's scraping addresses. So we're just going to leave it be, and we'll be back. And there it is, 231 places extracted. The results.csv file can be viewed right over here to the right. And let's go to rows per page 30. The URLs here, the title, rating, review. So you can view it here, or what I've already done is downloaded it, which is nicer to view in a Excel. So you see all the information. For all you SEOs out there, this might be useful to reach out to those with low rating or reviews. Or also, this information over here is claimed true, false. That's nice. And you have the phone number here. You have all the information to reach out to future clients. And I hope to make a future video soon, which we can make use of this data. You can do all types of things with this data. So thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Take care.